Hello, hello, hello. I'm your host, Mrs. M, and if you haven't, make sure you click the link below. That way you can subscribe to my channel and not miss out on anything you need to scale your cleaning business to six figures and beyond. Pow! So in today's video, I am going to talk to you what you need to do about becoming a vendor with Costco's. If you would love to be able to take some much needed time off, like right now I'm in Jamaica, I love it. I wasn't able to do that for a while because I was bent on doing everything for myself with my business. Once I realized that there was another way to do it, that's when I was able to grow and scale. It didn't take as long as I thought once I made that decision. Even though I got to well over six figures within my first 9 months, I still was not trying to build a team. And then once I realized how important a team was, the rest was history. So one of the things you can do is actually by becoming a vendor for Costco's. And if you're interested in that, make sure you click the link. I've got a description on what you need to do. Make sure you have your much needed introduction letter. What? You don't have an introduction letter? Every one of you should have an introduction letter introducing you, your company, and my favorite, your differentiator. What that separates you from all the other businesses. That's what I want you to work on. And if you'd like to know more about all of this and scaling to six figures using either government or commercial, then you know what you can do. You can click the link and actually go to our masterclass free. We have a government masterclass on Wednesdays, and we have our private for commercial on Thursdays. Would love, love, love to see you in the class learning everything that you need to do, as I said, to go from scratch to actually scaling your business to well over six figures and beyond. How? Costco's really, really great place to be as a vendor. I know I work with them and I love them. They have a lot of opportunities, whether you're doing windows or floors. So if you want to learn more, make sure you click the actual description. I've got the link, and we also have it on our Facebook group. So make sure you stop and write it down. Look forward to seeing you there. Until next time, and until the next video, be safe and take care. Bye-bye.